guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Murder Mystery on my brother's computer, but before we start this video, make sure to subscribe, click the bell on the notification, and hit that like button so you never miss another video that I upload on my YouTube channel. So now I'm playing Murder Mystery, and I am innocent, which I am pretty sad about, because I like being murdered a lot, and also the sheriff, because the innocent you don't really do anything, and this girl is the sheriff, as you can see, and yeah. So let's go explore some places and let's try and get some coins, because I heard her die. She died. That's at least somebody else picked up the gun. Like, I was gonna pick up the gun, but it's okay. I can hear the gun. Okay. Did you guys just hear that? I think it's that girl. I'm gonna follow her, so which way did she go? I can hear the sheriff. Oh, run. Oh, it's her! I knew it was her! I thought she was a little sus, but when I saw that girl in through the vent, oh my gosh, run. When I saw that girl through the vent, I'm like, yeah. Oof. Let's see some people's inventories. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yes. What? Oh. I want to trade him. I don't have good stuff. These are the only stuff that I have. I'm still trying to save for more money, but like I have these. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm sheriff! Oh, yay! But I really hope I don't die. I really hope I kill the murderer. Okay. Usually there's a lot of people who spawn here. What? He was even next to me. He was even next to me. What's going on? Okay. At least we could spectate some people. Oh my gosh, she's what is it called? She's Chloe from Miraculous. Queen Bee? Oh. Oh yeah, and there's Ladybug. Yup. Yeah, she's Queen Bee and oh my god, this is so stupid. She's Ladybug. The factory. Let's see their avatars. Hmm. Oh my god. Um, Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Well, I'm innocent, which kind of sucks, but at least don't have to kill anyone. But I love being a murderer, so. The dude behind me was the murderer. When I spawned next to him, he was the murderer. I can't believe it. What the? This is so funny, but also very mean and cruel. That was so cringe. Oh, he has a seer. This is the, yeah, he is the murderer. There's Ladybug and Queen Bee. Wow. Yeah, let's look through hers. This is so dumb. Adrian, come save me. It's Adrian. Oh, wait, what? I never knew this was here. Wait, did she died? She died. Yeah, she did. I'm speechless at this point. Ooh. Good job. Wait, was she the murderer? Oh no, she killed him. Yeah, I forgot. I completely forgot. What the? I'm losing my mind today, y'all. Wait, what this one? Thanks, y'all. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna wait. No! Why am I always Why am I always innocent? Well, I mean, like, I'm happy I'm innocent so I don't have to go to jail. But still, I wouldn't be like the... I want to be like the murderer, y'all. But what? Uh, what? Oh, he got the gun and he... He said he saved me from the murderer, and the murderer literally won. Please let me be a murderer. I want to be it really bad. Like, really bad. Please. Come on, game. Why are you so cruel to me? Well, I have been murdered a couple of times. I'm gonna close my eyes. Come on. Are you serious? Are you serious? What the heck? Can I at least be sheriff? At least something not innocent. Did you hear that gunshot? What is this song? This is a really bad song. I have a knife you can... Oh, it's him! Run, Saja. Your life depends on it. No! No! I thought that was a dead end because he came back. I'm really stupid. Oh, I love that face. Oh, it's off sale. That's not. That's a really cute face, though. She just died. My dead body! He's so cruel, sometimes. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to end the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you again with another one. Bye-bye!